The jungle was full of joy and laughter. The giraffe, the two naughty monkeys, and their animal friends had gathered in a beautiful field. They were singing, dancing, and playing together. The monkeys were tossing fruits from trees while the giraffe was happily dancing on his long legs. Suddenly, the ground began to shake. First, a light tremor, then a powerful earthquake. Trees swayed, animals ran in panic, and a huge crack opened in the middle of the earth. From this crack, a terrifying monster emerged, Hulk 2. His body was green, his eyes were burning red, and his sharp claws glistened in the sun. He roared, "I have come to make all of you my slaves." Chaos spread across the jungle. The giraffe and the monkeys quickly helped the baby animals escape, but they stayed behind to face the danger. Hulk 2 attacked. The giraffe fought bravely using his long neck and fast legs, but during the battle he was badly injured and collapsed. The monkeys were terrified, but quickly gathered courage. "Alone we are weak, but together we are strong," they shouted. All their friends, monkeys, foxes, deer, parrots, even turtles, united. They made a clever plan. The monkeys dropped fruits onto Hulk 2's face to blind him. The parrot swooped down to distract him. The fox and deer ran in circles to confuse him. And at the perfect moment, the giraffe stood up with great effort and gave Hulk 2 a powerful push with his long neck. Hulk 2 stumbled backward and fell into the very crack he had come from. The jungle echoed with cheers and joy. The giraffe was hurt, but he smiled because he knew the truth. There is strength in unity. The monkeys came to him, cleaned his wounds, and said, "You're not just our friend, you are our hero." The giraffe laughed, and all the friends celebrated together because they had defeated a monster not just with strength, but with kindness, courage, and friendship.
Did you enjoy the story? Even more amazing stories are waiting for you. Just a small click, subscribe to the channel, and give me the motivation to create more stories for you.